So we got the JR pass because it's a whole lot easier to travel around Japan with it. It's cheaper if you're a tourist, and you can buy the 7-day, 14-day, and I think there's one that's a little bit longer. We ended up getting the ordinary card. They look like that for ordinary. And there's also a green card. We decided to test out the ordinary one, which is actually the more budget-friendly one. And we're going to go through the central station with JR, and you don't have to pay because it's already prepaid in here. And I'm going to show you guys how to go through the station because you cannot go through the turnstiles, as the turnstiles require you to put money in or have an extra ticket, and you've already paid for it, so don't pay for it again. The only time you will use those types will be when you're using the Pasmo card to go into the subway or into the
local trains.
The local trains, and the one going to the airport, which is the monorail. So let's test this out. Always look for the information area where it says JR. It'll be like a little booth, and that's where you're going to go through. You're going to see a lot of travelers coming through there. And all you have to do is show it. Make sure you show it with the information on the back so they can see it, not the front. And all you have to do is flash your JR at the attendant that is right there. And that's it. And that's it. You flash this thing. You go through, you're already in the JR station, and then you find your train. As you can see here, all your trains are right there. And that's pretty much it. It's really easy. The only difference with the Pasmo or anything else is just to slide the little card, which I actually have it on one of these, which makes it a lot easier because you can pull it out. And you just tap your Pasmo. But you only use it on the other type. So the JR, I will post up prices. And of course, I can give you guys a link on where to buy these online because you have to buy them before you come into the country. And you have to be a non-Japanese citizen to be able to use this.